Suntech 2020 new version high-speed mask machine. Fabric tension controlling system gives constant tension. Don't need to adjust the machine repeatedly as per the roll diameter changing. Fabric edge correcting system produces accurate size and neat shape of masks. Welding done with special surface treatment, no pollution, no rust. Speed regulation by one key, simple. Air loop welding station controlled by full servo motor, high speed with non-stop. Twice coat pressing processing for air loop folding. Don't need to rearrange the air loop manually before packing. Visual inspection. Check the size of mask body, air loop, nose bar. Check the position of air loop and nose bar. Check nose bar embedded and air loop breakage. Camera, pay attention to the whole process instead of human, without omission. UV sterilization, disinfection in one step. Online packing 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 50 pieces per bag. Suntech 2020 new version mask making, visual inspection, UV sterilization. Packing line needs one person only, but speed reaches 70 to 100 pieces per minute. Save labor and cost. Easiest operation, ordinary operator required only. High degree of automation gives continuously stable and efficient production.